Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to browse on Facebook dating. Maybe you're new to Facebook dating and you don't know on how you can browse on it. So today, I am going to show you on how you can browse on Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account and you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then from here, tap on this heart button icon. And once you tap it, you'll be directed into this Facebook dating. And then to browse, in Facebook dating, you'll see in here a person. For example, if you want to date this person, tap on this heart button. If you don't want it, simply tap on this X button and then another person will appear. You can also scroll down to see their more photos and their interest. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can browse on Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can browse on Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.